Hey y'all, it's Angelle from Dashing Darling, and welcome to the Big Easy, where every day is an opportunity to live boldly.
I've always been a girl who loves to add a pop of color to my wardrobe and to my lips. I used to be self-conscious about what others thought about me and was intimidated to live boldly. With Revlon, I can express myself and confidently rock my red lips in sassy style. And I love to use a natural eye look and highlighting palette to balance out my red lip. From new hip eateries to traditions like coffee and beignets, they don't call New Orleans the melting pot for nothing. Live music, amazing food, and good people are the heart of the city. Living in this city makes being bold easy. I hope you're inspired to go out and live your